To this tutorial video, I'll teach you how to convert your Facebook page from classic mode into new user experience. Almost every page on Facebook is now on new user experience. If your own is still in classic mode and you want to learn how to convert it to new user experience, watch this video to the very end so that you understand. So what you have to do is to log on to facebook.com. As you can see, that's where I am now. But we are not just going to start with this. We have to change this our browser into a desktop mode, because without us changing it to desktop mode, we will not see clearly where to change it. So let's click on this option button here. You scroll down to this place where it says desktop site. You tick it. When you tick it, now as you can see, the structure of this browser has changed. It has changed completely into a new different look. It's now looking different, and it doesn't stop here. So when you change, the next thing that you have to do is just go to this place here where you enter your URL. You now enter web.facebook.com. then you go to web.facebook.com so that you see it clearly. It would be like when you are in a laptop, when you are using a laptop but you are using a phone. Get? So just wait for some few seconds. Let the page load. Okay, here we are now in our Facebook. As you can see, it's now looking like as if this is a laptop, where this is just a phone. That was because we switched over to that desktop version. So what you have to do is just to locate the page that is in classic mode that you would like to convert to new user experience. Let me show you what the new user experience page is. Let me first of all search so that you see what new user experience is. Okay, let's check this one now that says Milli Tech Hub, so that you see what I mean by new user experience. Just wait for some few seconds, let it load so that you see it. It's still loading here. Okay, this is what it means to have a page that's a new user experience. Let me search. This one now is not clearly, it's not showing clearly. Okay, let's look at this one now. Just a few minutes. It's loading. I want to like show you what a new user experience page looks like, and also what a classic page looks like. Okay, here is it. This is a page here. This is a page here, and it's showing the number of likes and also showing the number of followers. This one now looks completely different. It looks like a profile, a normal profile. You get? So let me show you what a classic page is, and also teach you how to convert it into this one that I just saw into a new user experience page. Okay, let's go back. Let's locate the page that I want to like convert to. Okay, this is the page here, this one here. Let's convert this one to new user experience. It's loading, just few minutes. Just few minutes and you load. Okay, this is the page here. This page here now is in new user experience. I can see what is not like the one that we just saw, the one that had followers, likes and all that. You get? So to change it to new user experience, all you have to do is to let me zoom this in so you'll be seeing everything clear. Let me zoom it. Okay, so there in the page you locate these three options beside this search. These three dots here, these three horizontal dots here. Let me circle it. These three horizontal dots here, that's it. You tap on these three horizontal dots here. Wait for some minutes. Okay, here it says liked, follow settings, share, create page, like as your page, invite friends. Then the main option that we are looking for, which says try new user experience. This option here, that's the one that we're looking for. It says try new user experience. You click on try new user experience, then it will bring out something for you to really confirm that you want to like change to new user experience. It says introducing the new page experience. We have made it easier to manage your page area media base. Try and connect with your community. What you get, a fresh page design, like a complete page design, just like the one that we just saw before. More ways to be social, like you have to like interact with people just like as if it's a normal Facebook profile. Then sufficient, simplified, actionable insight. So let's click on next and see what is take. Okay, this is what it says here. It says what stays the same: content and information, ads and campaign, permissions and all that. So what you have to do is just click on next. When you click on next, and mind you, as you are changing to new user experience, all the content that you shared will also, you will change over. But when you want to change back to classic page, you don't, almost all the content that you shared while it was still in the new user experience will be all gone. So I suggest you leave it there permanently when you change. So you click on update now, update and use page now. Okay, let's give it some seconds. It's still loading. It's changing to new user experience. Just wait for some time. And this is network. My network is just blue and then it's loading. Okay, here we are. Our page is now our page now have a completely new design, different from the one that you had before. Just wait for it to load. I guess my network is just bad. Okay, here we are. This is it here. Boom. This is what our page is saying. It's showing us our followers and all that. You see, this as in now looks completely different from what it used to be before. Look at. And for you to like access this page, you have to switch out for your profile. It's now completely different. So that's just how to change your page from classic to new page experience. I believe this video was helpful. Kindly like this video, comment. Is there anything that you didn't understand about this tutorial? Kindly comment below so I will answer your questions. If this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. See you in my next video.